This is how my headphones earpad look like after 2 years. Can you see how bad they look? So I ordered new earpads from Amazon. Hi there everyone, my name is Pritam and in this video I will be talking with you about these brand new earpads that I bought for my Sony 1000XM3. So let's unbox it. So here is the package and let's just see what actually come inside. Okay, so here you can see these headphone earpads are from Wicked Cushions and these are really not that cheap. I mean, I have paid around 1500 rupees for these and they are just earpads. I hope that they will justify their worth in terms of quality and comfort. But again, I would say eventually you have to pay this amount, else your 25,000 rupees headphones won't look good and won't function properly. Okay, now let's unbox this package and we will see what we got. Here are our brand new earpads from Wicked Cushion for Sony 1000XM3 and these comes with frame as well. What else come inside is this instruction manual which have step-by-step process of how we can replace our earpad. Now let's try to compare the existing earpad with the Wicked Cushion one, and here I'm going to place them side by side and you can see the material texture, it look almost same. If you touch the OEM earpad, they feel softer compared to Wicked one. Maybe because they are brand new, and let me show you how they look from the side. The thickness of both earpad is almost same. Okay, one thing I forgot to mention, you will also get 1 year warranty with your earpads, which I would say is really awesome and also is justified for the price that we are paying for these earpads. Now let me show you how we can replace our earpad. I'm not going to follow the instruction manual because I know how to open them because I used to clean them quite often. In order to open your earpad, you may require a fork or a spoon. Why I am using these tools? Because these are the most common commodities available in every home. Now what you require to do is just slowly insert the fork just like this, as the way I am doing. After carefully inserting the spoon, try to lift it up. In this way, you can easily unlock the lock present in the frame of earpad. The same procedure we will be following with another earpad. Time now came to install our brand new earpad from Wicked Cushion in our headphones. And the thing that you need to keep in mind is this pin and the lock direction. There is no left and right. Only the orientation need to be correct. Here is the direction we can't fit it, therefore we will rotate it by 180 degree. Now just press the earpad and you will listen to click sound while installing, which is the indication that you have installed your earpad to headphones successfully. In the same way, we will install earpad to another side. Now here you can see the headphones looks like brand new and I think ready to be used for 2 more years. After using these new earpad for almost 2 months, in terms of comfort, I would say they are almost same as of OEM. If you also want to buy the same, I will put their link in the description of this video. I hope this video might help you to decide whether you should buy these earpad cushions or not for your 1000XM3. So that's all guys from my side. I hope you enjoyed it. If yes, then don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel for such content and I will see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.